The municipality of Les Franqueses del Vallès is located in the Vallès Oriental region of Catalonia. This municipality, which has almost 20,000 inhabitants, is made up of 5 towns: Corredavall, Bellavista, Llerona, Corrodamunt, and Marata. The 5 towns of Les Franqueses cover an area of almost 30 square kilometers and are 230 meters above sea level. The Congost River crosses the municipality, running through the towns of Llerona and Corredavall. The town of Les Franqueses has a long history. The first record dates back to 895, when the Macerata Palace, which is now the town of Marata, was mentioned. The origin of the name of the municipality goes back centuries to when Les Franqueses was the name given to the honours bestowed by Count Ramon Berenguer I around the year 1025. These Franqueses guaranteed liberties and rights to the towns of the Vallès region.
Jo vaig obrir una llibreria perquè volia que els nens d'aquest poble tinguessin un espai de creativitat i de llibertat i on poder-se trobar.
Vaig arribar a les Franqueses perquè m'hi van portar els meus pares i al principi em feia molta mandra, però ara he fet molts bons amics i estic molt a gust.
Està molt bé viure a les Franqueses, és molt còmode i ho teniu tot a l'abast.
"85% of the surface area is made up of forests and crops, so agriculture obviously stands out. One of the sources of wealth in the sector is the local Ganchet white beans, which are really popular because of their taste and texture. With regard to livestock, pork and cattle are very important, as well as the breeding of hens and rabbits. The industry has really grown over the last few years because the city of Granollers is so close and the transport network to Barcelona is so good. There are currently 4 industrial estates, the most important sectors being chemical, metallurgical and textile. Finally, the commercial sector is evolving at the same rate as the population and urban growth of the towns. Les Franqueses is a municipality with large areas of interesting landscape and beautiful scenery that encourages you to enjoy nature and do outdoor sports and activities. The Romanesque churches of Santa Coloma de Marata, San Mamet de Corrodamunt, and Santa Maria de Llerona stand out when it comes to architectural heritage. Other buildings that we would like you to visit are the Torre de Seva Tower and the Town Hall's modernist building. The municipality has a rich and varied network of associations with more than 100 organizations that actively take part in the many popular fiestas and parties. The municipality of Les Franqueses has a good quality of life thanks to its nature, leisure and opportunities. Les Franqueses, a place to live.